going to be talking about the bird. Let's think of the things we know about the bird. We know that the bird is a vertebrate. If we look at this diagram of the skeleton of the bird, we can see that it has a spine that runs all the way down his back from the base of his head all the way down to his tail feathers. We also see that the bird has 2 feet and 2 wings. Today we're going to do a presentation on the bird cards. Feet. Legs. Wing. Breast. Head. The entire bird. The beak. Tail. 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 Legs. Legs. Wings. Wings. Breast. Bird. Bird. Beak. Head. Feet. Feet. Also, I'd like to introduce to you the bird puzzle. Here we have the bird puzzle. We know that the bird has a head with a beak. We know that the bird has a breast. We know that the bird has 2 wings. We know that the bird has 2 feet. And we know that the bird has a tail feather. Tail feather, wing, breast, head, and feet. Thanks for watching.